How's it going, everybody? Rusty here. Got a box break for you. This will be another one of these Spring Fever repack boxes that you can pick up at your local Walmart. See the price there. Wasn't really planning on doing any more of these particular boxes this year, but I had to stop by, pick up a couple things, and this was the last one on the shelf. And it appears that I am a sucker for the last one on the shelf type things, so I always just try to bring it home and see if it's got any last box mojo. So we'll be bringing this, but before we dive in, just want to let you guys know I do have quite a few things coming, a couple really nice things, so try not to let too much out. I'll make a couple videos when they get here. Some of it will be arriving this week, so stay tuned for those. I kind of went on a little shopping spree, if you want to call it that, and picked up some really high-end stuff, some really nice stuff. Plus I've got quite a few boxes coming in, so quite a few things coming from Rusty's room, so please stay tuned. So for those of you that may just be tuning into this channel, please subscribe. I try to bring these videos out as often as I can, try to showcase different things, a lot of cards, things like that, so please stay tuned, guys. But real quick, for those that aren't too knowledgeable on this particular product, these are just repack boxes, 10 factory packs. Typically will include any number of different packs. I particularly kind of like these ones this year just because you do get some upper deck, a lot of Topps products, some better known product as opposed to some of the previous versions of this. And there is one numbered card in there that's going to be one of those type of hits there. I am looking for the Trout Harper. That would be nice. So let's go ahead and dive in. If anybody's picked any of this stuff up this year, please comment, let me know. Like if anybody's gotten anything out of these. So I know that they're obviously still on the shelves for this season. So that way we can try to figure out if it's worth the time. And then of course they come with these lovely triple plays, and those of you that have watched my videos know how much I enjoy those. So it looks like we've got a 2004 MLB Showdown. That's new, I haven't seen those before in this one. Looks like we've got two 2015 Topps baseball. Got one Leaf Babe Ruth collection from 2016. Looks like we've got two 2011 Topps. Looks like two of the 2010. That'll be Series 2 because it looks like there is also a 2010 Update Series. And then the card, the special card, is going to be the Kris Bryant, Kyle Schwarber. And you'll see it is numbered there, 9676 of 10,000. So at least it's nice to see the Kris Bryant. Well, that's the special card that does come inside. So we won't open that triple play pack, so let's just go down the road. We'll start with this MLB 2004 here, Showdown. I'm not familiar with this product. Let's see what we got. Alright, Alex Cintron, Timo Perez, Juan Encarnacion, Carl Crawford, Adam Dunn, Nick Johnson, Jeremy Bonderman, Kelvin Escobar. Not sure what, this might be a game or some sort. It's like offense, defense, think twice, and a checklist, so nothing really in there. Let's go right across. We'll do the two packs here of 2015 Topps. Juan Nicasio, Brett Lowry, Nora Chikaoki, I think that's how you say his name, Wandy Rodriguez, Mike Pelfrey, Gene Machi, 1984 rookie sensation Dwight Gooden, Pretty decent insert, I guess. DJ LeMahieu. Hector Santiago with Mike Trout, Albert Pujols in the card there at the All-Star game. Craig Breslow. Brock Holt, future star. Nice rookie card there. And Danny Valencia. All right, second pack. Yunel Escobar. Craig Kimbrell. Angel Nesbitt. Mark Melancon. Matt Latos. Frank Garces. So we've got a gold of Taylor Featherston rookie. Should be numbered 1476 of 2015. Carlos Rodon, rookie. Nelson Cruz at the All-Star game. Seems everybody wants to be in a picture with Trout and Pujols. Guess I can't blame them. Ray Navarro, Dusty Coleman, Kendall Graveman, and Daniel Fields. Alright, 2016 Babe Ruth collection. I've opened a few of these. Never got anything really worth anything out of them. Obviously all going to be Babe Ruth cards. Alright, moving on. 2011. Looks like a trivia card or something in the back there. So Edwin Jackson, Lorenzo Cain, Grady Sizemore, Ichiro, 10 straight 200-hit seasons, Josh Rodriguez, rookie, Toronto Blue Jays team card, Topps Diamond, Zach Greinke, Giovanni Gallardo. This is a Diamond Star, something shiny, sparkly here, Josh Hamilton. Cole Hamels, Franklin Gutierrez, Mark DeRosa, Melky Cabrera. Alright, second pack, same year. Jose Valverde, Jed Lowry, Joaquin Soria, Javier Vasquez, San Francisco Giant team card, Jason Nix, an old Don Mattingly 60 years of Topps insert, Johnny Bench Hall of Fame voting results, JJ Putz, Tim Lincecum, Jordan Zimmerman, and Adam Wainwright. All right, 2 packs. 2010 Series 2. All right, we got Gavin Floyd, Jay Wilson, Nolan Reimold, David Percy, Jason Hayward, Kanakoa Teixeira, I'm assuming, Chris Johnson, rookie, Peak Performance Brandon Phillips, an old code card that these are expired, Colorado Rockies of Jason Hamill, Landon Powell, and Franklin Gutierrez. Second pack. Alright, Cameron Maben, Clayton Richard, Matt Palmer, Kyle Hendrick, Ryan Perry, BJ Upton, Derek Jeter, looks like a gold, or insert the card your mom threw out, Derek Jeter. Pretty nice little insert there. Looks like we've got Some more redemption codes that are expired. Jeremy Armida. Franchise history, Rangers, Nolan Ryan. Nick Punto. All right, last pack of this break, guys. The 2010 also. This is the update series. John Jay, Ian Kennedy, Nick Johnson, Alex Sanabia, Cole Gillespie, Matt Thornton, Yunel Escobar. Got one of these before, kind of a canvas print of Adam Jones. Card I got before was not of Adam Jones, but it's this canvas print. It's kind of got a different feel to it. Like it feels like an actual painting. So it's a decent card there of Adam Jones. Got a Truman Show Tales of the Game. Not sure what that's all about. And another expired code. So anyway, guys, that's this particular product. Nothing worthwhile in there, so kind of a bust on my last box mojo. But like I said, if you guys have had any success with this product or got anything that's worth anything out of here, please let me know. Let everybody know what's going on with that. But just to reiterate, like I said in the beginning, guys, I do have quite a few things coming, stuff I'm pretty excited about, stuff I'm gonna post and share with you guys. So stay tuned, and we'll bring that to you. Hopefully, you can be just as excited as I am that I got a few of these pickups, as well as some of the boxes coming in. So please like, comment, subscribe, and hopefully we'll be bringing a couple videos to you this week. I'll let you know. Thanks, guys.